Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about adders, half adder and full adder. First of all, we will discuss about adders. Adder circuit is a digital circuit that is used for adding numbers, and an adder circuit produces some bit denoted by S and a carry bit denoted by C as the output. Typically, adders are used for adding binary numbers. There are two kinds of adders. Number one is half adder. Number two is full adder. Now let us discuss half adder. Half adder is a circuit that adds two numbers and produce a sum bit, that is S, and carry bit, that is C, as the output. If A and B are the input bits, then sum bit S is the XOR of A and B, and the carry bit C will be the AND of A and B. From this, it is clear that a half adder circuit can be constructed using one XOR gate and one AND gate. So the truth table and schematic representation of a half adder are given below. First of all, let's look at the truth table. We have a truth table here. In the truth table, there are two inputs A and B and two outputs sum and carry. In first row, A and B 0 0 produce out sum as 0 and carry as 0. In second row, input A is 0, B is 1, and it produces output sum as 1 and carry as 0. In third row, input A is 1, B is 0, and it produces sum as 1, carry as 0. And in the last row, both the inputs are 1, they produce sum as 0 and carry as 1. So in the total table of half adder is created. Now look at the column sum. This column sum, the whole output of this column sum represent an XOR gate, and the whole output of column carry represent an AND gate. As you can see, the output of carry belongs to AND gate and output of sum belongs to. Now let us have a look at the schematic representation of half adder. As you can see in the diagram, two inputs A and B are passed and produce the output sum and carry. So in this way, schematic representation of half adder is represented. A and B are passed through XOR and AND gate and forms two output. One is sum and one is carry. The sum is formed through XOR gate and carry is formed through AND gate. The XOR and AND gate realization of half adder is as follows. That is a logical diagram of half adder. We take two inputs A and B and pass them through XOR gate, and we found the output sum is equal to A XOR B is equal to A dash B plus AB dash. This is the formula of XOR gate. Now we take the connection from A and B as input and pass it through AND gate, and we got carry A B. So this is the diagram for half adder. Now we come to full adder. A full adder circuit perform addition on binary numbers. It is so called because it adds together two binary digits plus a carry in digit to produce a sum and a carry out digit. It therefore has three inputs and two outputs. So let us have a look at the circuit to implement the full adder, which is as follows. First of all, we take three inputs A, B and carry C in. These three inputs, now these three input A, B, C are passed through XOR gate and produce sum. Now we take AND gate and connect it to the input A and B. This forms AB. Again we take another AND gate and connect it to B and C, which forms BC. Again we take another AND gate and connect to A and C, which forms AC. Now the output of these three AND gates is passed through OR gate, which will form a carry out, that is output carry. So in this way full adder is formed. The truth table for a full adder is on the screen. We have inputs A, B and C, that is carry input, and outputs sum and carry. In first row we have three input 0, 0, 0, which produce output sum 0, carry 0. In second row we have two zeros in AB and 1 in C. It produces output sum 1 and carry 0. Again in third row 0 plus 1 plus 0 is produce sum as 1 and carry as 0. In fourth row 0 plus 1 plus 1 produce 2, which will produce sum as 0 and carry as 1. In fifth row 1 plus 0 produce sum 1 and carry as 0. In sixth row 1 plus 1 forms sum as 0 and carry as 1. Second last row there are two ones which forms 2 and form sum as 0 and carry as 1, and in last row both sum and carry are 1. So in this way, using these three inputs, when we add 0 plus 1 plus 0 or 0 plus 0 plus 1, it forms sum as 1, but carry nothing to carry, that is 0. But in case of where there are two ones or where there are three ones, so 1 plus 1 is 2 and 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So to find the sum and carry, because we are working in binary numbers, so if we have sum 2, so divide it by 2 and it gives the remainder as 0 and quotient as 1, and that quotient will be called as carry and the remainder is called as sum. In case of 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is last row, we have three ones and it add up to 3. When we divide it by 2, we got one remainder and one quotient. Then in this case, the sum, that is remainder, is 1 and carry, that is quotient, that is also 1. In this way, we found the output of full adder. We can implement a full adder circuit with the help of two half adder circuits also. The first half adder will be used to add A and B, जो कि हमने half adder में देखा, to produce a partial sum. The second half adder can be used to add C in to the sum produced by the first half adder to get the final output as sum. If any of the half adder logic produce a carry, there will be an output carry. Thus, Cout, that is carry out, will be an OR function. So for that, we will put OR gate. Now let us have a look at the full adder, how to draw it using half adder. First, we will take three inputs A, B and C in. A, B are passed to XOR gate, which forms the output as partial sum of first half adder. Now A, B are connected to AND gate and form the output AB. This picture which is shown on the screen, this is our first half adder. Now after that, this first half adder output of XOR gate and C in are passed to another XOR gate which forms the final sum. And now C in and output of first half adder are connected to AND gate which forms the carry. Now both these carry, AB and ABC, are passed to OR gate which forms the final carry. So this is the circuit for full adder using two half adders. In this way, we can design a full adder using two half adders. That's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you for watching.